In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dependencies in ClickUp. Dependencies are a powerful way to show how tasks relate to each other, and they're especially useful when one task can't start until another one is finished. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can start using them confidently in your workflows. First, make sure you're in the right place in ClickUp. Open your workspace and navigate to the list view that contains the tasks you want to connect. List view is great for this because it shows your tasks in a simple, structured layout, making it easy to see and manage relationships between them. Next, find the specific task you want to add a dependency to. Move your mouse over that task, and as you hover, you'll see a small set of 3 dots appear on the left-hand side of the task row. This is the options menu for that task. Click on those 3 dots to open up more settings and tools related to that task. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Dependencies and click on it. This is where you'll control what this task depends on and what other tasks may depend on it. Think of this as the control center for task relationships. Once you're in the Dependencies panel, you'll see that it's divided into 2 main ideas: what the task depends on and what depends on it. In other words, you can define tasks that must be completed before this one can move forward. And you can also define tasks that are waiting for this one to be done. This helps you and your team understand the order of work and avoid blockers or duplicate effort. Within this panel, ClickUp gives you 3 main dependency types to choose from: waiting on, blocked, and linked. Waiting on usually means your current task cannot be finished until another task is completed. Blocked indicates that your task is currently being held up by something else. Linked is a lighter connection, used when tasks are related but not strictly dependent on each other. Choose the dependency type that best fits your situation by clicking on it. After you click, ClickUp will prompt you to select which task this dependency is tied to. You'll see a list of tasks, often from the same list or space. Finally, click on the task that this one depends on. Once you select it, the dependency will be created and visible in the Dependencies panel and often in your task details. From here, you can repeat the process for any additional dependencies you want to add, helping you clearly map out your project's sequence of work.